Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, plug the USB barcode scanner into an available USB port on your PC. Wait for the operating system to install drivers automatically or prompt you to approve installation. Open Device Manager to confirm the scanner appears as a HID keyboard or barcode device. If your scanner supports modes, set it to keyboard wedge mode so scans act like typed text. Keep the cable unobstructed and position the scanner within 1 to 2 feet of the barcode for reliable. Next, open your point of sale or inventory application and click the text field that should receive barcode data. Confirm the app accepts typed input or enable explicit scanner integration in settings. If the software supports prefixes, suffixes, or suffix enter, configure those to match scanner output. Adjust the barcode symbology settings if needed for 1D or 2D codes. Finally, test by scanning a sample barcode and verify the correct value appears precisely where you expect it. When you are ready, aim the scanner at the barcode and press the trigger or enable continuous scan mode. Hold the scanner steady at the recommended distance, typically 2 to 12 inches, until you hear a beep or see a green light. If data does not appear, switch USB ports, reboot the PC, or update scanner firmware and drivers. Regularly clean the scanner lens with a soft cloth and store the device safely to prevent drops and moisture damage. Keep spare cables and test periodically for consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.